This is Samson.
He's gonna get bored soon.
This is Samson. Look at him. This is a tampon. What's that? Oh my god. Tampon. Oh, tampon. Oh no.
It got stuck in the corner, I think.
Kill it.
You make it pay.
Oh,
Look
do
how
you
cute
love
it
it?
is.
Do you love it? You love the tampon. Where you go?
Go that way. Throw it that way. He's pretty dense.
Oh god, it's a tampon.
I like that shirt above you. It's cute.
This one?
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
They all start at 15.
Where'd it
and
go?
Eventually, you know.
Hey.
Everything too.
You're gonna be a YouTube star. You know that?
Sticking that bang. Shaking that ass. Killing my pants.
Here's Samson. What the hell is he doing?
He's killing my pants. It's okay. Makes him vintage looking.
So Samson's being boring. Where's Kiko? Hey. Don't ignore me.
If we lived upstairs, we just have to get a bed like this. Would it even hold the two of us?
I don't know. I don't know if there's weight limits on it or anything. Oh. It's a pipe bomb!
What will happen when it goes off?
Don't break it.
Okay, so everybody uses the same list, and you roll it.
Longest thing ever.
I thought it was louder than that.
That was so anticlimactic.
No, look at the cat. He's like, oh God, what is that?
So,
Wow.